Alright guys, I've put the silicone on the edges of this inner lens, as you can see, and the reason why I did that, so to seal it from water getting into the lens from this area, because what I'm about to do next will keep these kind of exposed and kind of not, but it's a really good idea to put silicone bead here, like a few other guys who mentioned that they did, and they've been very successful. So the bottom screws are, as you can see, are on it, and so this way, I'm just going to let it secure for next 2-3 hours, and until tapes can come off and the silicone is dried up. So the whole idea is to prevent moisture and water from going inside from the top into those lenses and causing the bulbs to blow out because of the temperature difference. Alright guys, so this is update number 2. There will be update number 3 once I put these guys on this that fixture right there. So I have put these tapes on. This is the aluminum tape. It's a high-speed aviation aluminum grade tape, and the reason I am using this because it has a very good adhesion, and once you put it on, it does not move, and it's pulling these lenses against the housing and letting the silicone that's in between in between the parts fully cure. The whole idea, as I mentioned before, is to prevent moisture from going in.